Ende abanyanyimbo abo babere bakurwa bokoreri asensemu ya Haiti asika kimetienyi 15 nigo bakorerwa umuyiga bwo Koariganigwa asensemu Embakasi omukonyi boyo kumurikira amangana aisiko ya ngumbu Christopher Landau no muwaziri bubureri weme Kipchumba MURKOMEN nigo bara umuyigo yo na kogokera obokoreri BWABO
of America, here represented by you, Your Excellency Christopher Landau. Thank you very much for your thoughtfulness, for your friendship, and for your commitment to international peace. Your presence here today underscores the deep and long-lasting partnership between Kenya and the United States, which now spans over 6 decades and is anchored on shared democratic values, economic ties, and strong security cooperation, further elevated by Kenya's designation as a major non-NATO ally. We are grateful for the immense logistical and technical support extended by the United States government to Haitian mission. We also highly value the partnership between the United States and the National Police Service in training and equipping our officers, including, as has been mentioned already, by the IG Anti-Terrorism Assistance Program, which have benefited our officers from the General Service Unit, Border Patrol Unit, the Special Operation Group, and other specialized units.